NADMO is in the news today, and it's for Nima. Imagine a whole Nima. Flag a sea. If you don't know NADMO, by the way, NADMO is a National Authority Disaster Organization. You know, after floods and national disaster that they go around, they give them funds, by the way. The government give NADMO funds to go and purchase items and share it to victims of national natural disasters. So they went to Nima, a whole Nima, Munkocha Dioma Nima for indomie and baked beans. And baked beans there, what the day? Nima for the baked beans, a year day. Munche dokuno, there is kinky, there is rice. Hey, not more. See, honestly, when I heard this, I couldn't believe my ears because what are they supposed to use baked beans for? What are they supposed to use it for? Anyways, the Alexander Afenyo Macklin, the minority leader, took it to parliament today and he said it that NADMO for more retracting ways, like do something about it because most country say yeah, should have more now they weren't able to purchase necessary things, big beans. More, please. You can do better. Anyways, this is Shadley. What it happened. Stay tuned for more updates. And my name is Coco Brown, and I'm signing out. Peace.